Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to restart or shut down your PC if you have got gray screen in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So there is no actions. In order to shut down or restart, right, on your keyboard just hold Alt, Control and Delete key so that you can see this task manager and all this information. Also you can see this power button. So here we need to go to click on this power and then shut down or restart. So automatically your PC will be restarting. Now the PC is back. Now we can shut down. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.